Welcome to Samoa! Choo-hoo! Sekia Samoa! Choo-hoo! Welcome to Samoa! Choo-hoo! Sekia Samoa! Choo-hoo! Family, welcome to Samoa! Okay family, so we're here at Fiafia Park. They just opened this park today. We were so excited to come here because we wanted to show you that Samoa knows how to do these parks as well.
Yeah man, you know you can like come here and have fun.
Samoa knows how to do these parks as well. But we're about to go in. We wanted to quickly let you know how much this is and when it's open and stuff. So it opens on Saturday and Sunday from 4 p.m. till 9 p.m. So if you're here in Samoa and you're wanting to go somewhere for nighttime or just take your kids out somewhere, make sure you come down to come down to Ngaka.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
If you're wanting to come to a theme park here in Samoa, come down to Ngata and you'll find some rides where they won't work.
But yeah family, make sure you come and check out this Fiafia Park. You know, support our beautiful country, and they've posted, it's looking beautiful. I can't wait to show you guys. So yeah, let's go. Okay fam, so he went and played the game. You played?
Go dad.
Why don't you tell us that we can record you? Should we go have a look?
Yep.
We gotta play a game at least. Oh, he's the owner, honey. Okay, so Dad is about to play the one ball in wings. So it's a milk can, and you have to. It's $2 for 2 shots, and you got to throw the ball and try to get it in the can. So ready, Dad?
Yeah.
Focus.
Oh.
Focus, Dad.
Oh. One more. Oh, no, that's it. Eh?
Oh. Oh my.
Alright family, second shot.
Okay fam, I'm gonna try it, and I know I'm gonna miss, but I'm gonna try.
Oh.
$2. Maybe a little bit on the side.
Oh. That was
I'm so nervous.
Wow. Okay family, little look at ourselves. How long
I'm
have we
like
been here?
drenched.
10 minutes?
Yeah, it took 10 minutes in here and we're drenched.
You can reach out
Okay, wait, hold on.
as close as you can. Still.
Wait. Oh, here we go. I want to win.
Give another $4
I want to win, TNS. Oh my god. That's $6. $6 later. Sis, you want Finding Nemo? Collect your prize. Oh, I didn't win. I don't know. Langston, I got you Finding Nemo. Dad, I'm sweating hard out. Riri spent $6.
Consistency and persistence get you there.
Awe lilo maya vai sa uni folau. Lulu au fulu apa au mafa au lio laula au. Fa asisi na sa lilo maya vale vaya sa falele taua. Opa laulio tama oleu amea.
So she's come back to get some money off her husband, so she can pay that. So we're gonna go pay for it. I don't know where the bathroom is. 50 cents, guys. I don't think we can go that way. Ria, let's get food. My sister didn't pay. My sister? Yeah. Yeah. There you go. So who's that? It's my niece. Which one? Sis is trying to hint it out. Balance. Aww, she's cute. Oh my gosh! So guys, this is Kalamu. So Taru and Goa there, and Sera and I don't know the little girl, but they're there. Oh, oh, she's so cute. What's her name?
Londia.
Londia. Oh, she's so cute.
You have found new aunties today.
So guys, this is his niece.
on Sikalamu and it was so good. We're gonna go and try what's that? Spider. We're gonna go and try the spider ride, but I think just Jason and Tuxx are gonna go on it. To a theme park, you always have to get that popcorn or fairy floss. So I'm gonna grab some popcorn and a fairy floss and maybe a hot dog. Oh my goodness guys, I'm sweating. Yeah. Basala. There. Hot and fresh popcorn. And their jumbo hot dogs are $6 with their fizzies, 3 tala and water 2 tala. Line to get my thing and then go.
Better than I expected.
Hey, all good? Yeah? Yeah?
We got new nieces. New nieces, family.
So guys, I went on the Sukulamu and I was standing there waiting to go on the ride with my husband, and then a guy just comes and taps me and he's like, oh, so banga. So I had to go with his little niece. And that's what happened to these guys. They had to go with a niece.
We got stitched up. We got stitched up, family.
They went to go together and they went with someone else's kids.
Family, we've come to the end of this vlog. If you like what you have seen, give us a thumbs up.
Comment down below if you want to see more of Samoa, what you want to see, and also don't forget to click that subscribe button down below. If you're ever in Samoa, or if you are in Samoa, make sure you check out the Fiafia Park. We had an awesome time there. Their rides are 100% safe.
Yeah, they are. Approved.
They're still alive. Approved, ticked, approved. And their food is awesome as well. We love their fairy floss and their popcorn, their hot dog that I had. It was awesome. Make sure you check out the Fiafia Park. Okay, so we're gonna give the ngu'u shout out, and the ngu'u shout out goes to who, Chris?
Lila!
Lila, what did she say, Chris?
Love your guys' videos, music and vibes. Keep them videos coming. Shout out to our villagers from
Itatufu,
Lotofanga,
Saleaumua,
Salangi,
Siumu,
Sapoe,
Ipa,
Vaiafai,
Salelavalu,
Salelonga,
Pusi,
and Safotulafai from South Auckland, Mangry 275. Choo! Love you, Lila. Thank you so much for commenting. If you want your ng'o to be shouted out, make sure you go down below into that comment section and hashtag your ng'o. We love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tofa!
Soifua.
Choo!